Hello everyone and welcome back to this new video. Ciao a tutti e benvenuti in questo nuovo video. Oggi parliamo di 4 verbi che non sono molto usati in italiano, ok? 4 verbs that are not very used in Italian. So let's start. Okay, I'm gonna start with a difficult one. Not difficult in conjugation because it's pretty straightforward. Perorare. So one way of translating this verb, if you go and Google it, is to uphold. But perorare is a little bit more than that, and a little bit more specific than that. First of all, perorare is always with the word una causa, okay? You could say una causa or la causa, and then put a D to specify what is the cause, but it's una causa, la causa. Perorare, number one. So, perorare, what does that mean? It means to insist on a cause, to keep arguing, okay? So, this would be gli avvocati hanno perorato la sua causa. Of course, instead of causa, you could say la sua innocenza, okay? They insisted on his innocence or her innocence, okay? But if you don't want to be that specific, you would say hanno perorato la causa, ok? I sindacalisti, ok? The union representatives, I sindacalisti hanno perorato la causa dei lavoratori. For instance, a better deal for workers, yeah? So perorare, to insist, in the sense of to keep arguing, to produce new evidence or just new whatever that is, statements, pieces of writing that would insist on saying that something is right, fair to have. Perorare, that's number one. Number two, declamare. Now, this not very used. So declamare is to claim, okay? To claim, but also to recite out loud something. I would say it's more the second than the first, okay? So it's not claiming something as your own, okay? It's not like that. It's not to make a statement, but it is to recite more of a poem, a poetry, okay? Declamare. For instance, loro hanno declamato la Divina Commedia. Declamare. Now, all of these verbs are extremely powerful if you intend to, number one, improve your vocabulary in Italian. Number two, take an exam like CILS, okay? That would establish the level of your Italian. That's fundamental, you know, to have a good score. You know, if you are able to write one of these verbs that we're describing in a way that is, first of all, coherent with the text, okay? So if you write too low, you certainly cannot introduce these verbs, but in a good sentence, you can, and that will make you have more points. So, perorare, declamare. Let's go to 2 more. Let's do this too. Number 3, aguzzare. Now, if you check this out, that means to sharpen. But actually, it's more said for stabbings, okay? È stata aguzzata, okay? È stata aguzzata, okay? So you could use that in that context. Otherwise, you could say lei ha l'ingegno aguzzo. So instead of saying a sharp mind, okay, that would sound like una mente affilata, okay? We could say un ingegno. It's more metaphorical. Ingegno is the ability to be creative, innovative, and also get yourself out of trouble with a out-of-the-box solution, okay? Lei ha l'ingegno aguzzo. Also, to solve the problem, you could still say lei ha aguzzato l'ingegno, okay? She got sharp. She was able to find a solution that was a clever one, an intelligent one, fine one, okay? Fine one. Aguzzare. So my favorite way of using this is absolutely with ingegno, okay? So for instance, in a piece of writing, you can still say dobbiamo aguzzare l'ingegno per risolvere I problemi della crisi climatica, for instance, yeah? So you could definitely say that. And last one, scrutare, to scrutinize, to inspect, scrutare, okay? But also to feel observed. Mi sono sentita scrutata dagli altri. I felt very much under observation by other people, okay? Or the other people present there, okay? So four verbs, perorare, declamare, aguzzare, and scrutare. As per usual, I do hope this was helpful and we'll catch up next time. Ciao!